Listen, y'all can have those other love languages. You want to know what my love language is? Food. I love questions like, can I cook for you? Have you eaten? Can I feed you? Can I bring...
I'm gonna say the ingredients. I don't know what time it is. I don't know how to cook down. So stay tuned for see what one. Alright, so guys, I have my condensed milk, banana, dragon, vanilla, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, peanut, oats, blend. Blend it up to it. So you know, yeah, these are the ingredients them, cause I try upload the video 2 times already, I'ma get copyright. So me can't use my little song and I had nothing one little pieces. I don't know where I go already, you know. So me I fear rise over, but I don't know it go. So it go sometimes. So we're ready for blend up now. Put in the banana them pretty man. I'm put in my supper gen. No, what I just say. Blend it up, turn it on your head. You know how badness, you know how badness. So yeah, put in that, grab the oats. And I just drop some comment in the comment section. You don't know it, come down, like, comment, share, subscribe, repost, tell a friend. You know? So yeah, I'm add in my Lasco. I'm gonna go drop a dragon in there right now. Boom. Yes, I'm gonna add my dragon. And if I don't want some of that, I just pour out some simple. I don't know, like, yeah. Big bad peanut now, drop in the peanut. Them, maybe just use 1 pack of peanuts. Still, cause now have the peanut punch. Somebody just throw the peanut punch in there. Hey, that's a miracle. Great out nutmeg or something. Add in the flavor, drop in the cinnamon. When I really want to tell how I go fully down. Hey. Drop in some vanilla. That is it. Let me know if you guys would drink some of this. Alright, somebody put it in a peanut punch, right? Just some no. I say, yo, he's only happy to make you add a song for it enough. So yeah, that peanut punch from use in it, guys. And what is it without a little troops of Jamaican Ray and nephew? Big bad rum. You know it come down, yeah, may I add some condensed milk. You know me chat bad so. I don't know, may I talk sometime, but yeah, we are in some sweet, you know, man. Everything did just right. I'm even my Janet name, I'm just, you know, true unto my ancestors, them to me, so I'm if stop, sure. Alright, so everything combined us and how we are blend up, so we got to say, blend it up, blend it to your head, blend it up. Turn it to your head, blend it up. Turn it to your head, blend it up. So yeah, blend. I didn't ice now. Okay, you know, say, punch ready. Ready for drink, ready for chang up. Yeah. Jaja, what are you rating, man? Just like, comment, subscribe, and share up a video. Is drop some comments down below. Watch the man, watch consistency, watch the cheers good enough people. 10 always have 10. Tell me what you want to give me a drink in the comment section down below. And that's it for today's upload. See you guys in my next video. Yeah, the girl Bella is out. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye, guys.